Okay, so today is November the 5th. Today's Tuesday, November the 5th. We have been having really bad rains since Sunday, Monday into Tuesday, and there is so much flooding going on. I have got to come down here and open up my water vents because they're blocked. I have water back here, but oh my Lord, I am actually really lucky to have the runoff behind my house. I mean, look how high that water has come. I mean, it has come up really high. I can't believe that it's up that high. And this is the runoff of the whole area. It has been a very long time since we've had water up this high. A very long time. Some of our neighbors, unfortunately, have gotten much more worse than this. They've got a lot of their properties flooded because they live down further, and they're actually situated in the bottom, at the bottom of the hill. But oh my goodness. And the rain is supposed to continue for, I guess, until tonight, but that could change. I don't know. But yeah, this is a ton of water back here. And a couple days ago, I threw out pumpkins, and you can see them right there floating. All of this down to there was rock and just dirt. And when Morrow actually does his mowing of the lawn, he actually mows all the way down in here where this water is at right now. But this is just crazy. All of this rain. I'm gonna come down here because I have to unblock. Oh my God, look, all of the spiders and stuff are starting to come up. This wasn't here yesterday. They're all trying to flee. Don't know if you can see the little spiders, but I have spiders that are just all trying to flee the freaking water. Everything has been pushed this way, so there's like tons of spiders and insects, and they're just trying to get out of the flood area. Whoop, yeah, see, look, spiders, everything is just up here trying to get out of the flood water. And I just gotta kind of make sure I don't walk into a damn spider web. Look, all the little spiders, they're like everywhere. Little spiders just... Mi casa es su casa, right? Wonderful. Am I gonna find anything else down here? Yeah, there's just tons of freaking little spider webs. Tons of little spider webs. Okay, so I'm gonna go get my broom. Yeah. Oh my God, look, seriously, literally, like, all the spiders came on this side to have babies because of the water. I mean, is that crazy or what in the heck? Sorry if you like spiders, I'm so sorry. I am not wanting all of these spiders to start making my house their home. guess a bad thing about living out like this is when something like this happens, it pushes all of the wildlife and all of the everything, just everything, to higher ground. And oh my God, they're like all over the place. It's like freaking one of those damn horror movies where there's nothing but spiders. Yep. Let's see. Am I gonna find anything else? Spiders. Everything got full. The trash can got full, so we can use some more water to clean. It's the only bad thing about these is when they get clogged, they don't drain. I'm gonna go check on my doggies in a second. Just want to make sure that this stays open for a minute or two so that way it does not get clogged by leaves. Well, there's a few spiders over here, but not as much as over there. Okay. Yeah, what else? Just all these damn little spiders. Spiders, spiders, spiders everywhere. Ugh. I'm coming, I'm coming. Hold on 1 second, please. Spiders. Seriously, there's like hundreds of little spiders. Like, today's the day to have babies. Seriously, they're up there too? I'm coming, I'm coming. I just want to get some of the spiders off.